Solar panel and solar panel support installation. Here are the solar panels, panel support and fittings. Let's see how to install the solar panel support. Kindly note that the support we are showing is suitable for plant roof or ground. Firstly, we need to fix the base to the ground, then install the front columns, triangle hinge connection, incline beam and cross beam. Lastly, fix the solar panel, among which the dual solar panel bracket adapter is used. See now the installation well done. In this example, the two solar panels should be connected in parallel. Let's see how to do that. Use this 2-in-1 male and female connector, positive connected to positive and negative to negative. After that, we get extension cords and fix them to Anderson plug. Plug it into the solar power generator. Then it can convert solar power into electricity and power up this fan. This is a set of solar power system, easy to install and use. Entelechy, your best solar energy solution.